Hello everyone. Paying rent can be stressful, especially as costs rise, but today I will share 22 uncommon passive income ideas. Yes, this includes affiliate marketing that can help cover your rent in 2024. These aren't your run-of-the-mill suggestions, so stick around for something different. Some of these ideas might be unconventional, but trust me, they could be your ticket to easy, consistent income. So let's dive in. First up, affiliate marketing, one of my favorite ways to make passive income. I know what you're thinking. Affiliate marketing is uncommon, but here's the twist. We're going all niche. Create a small targeted website that focuses on a specific audience like pet grooming, tools, or tech gadgets. Write an in-depth review and guides, embed affiliate links, and get your content to drive traffic. Platforms like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale are great to get started. Over time, that consistent traffic means ongoing affiliate commissions that could pay your rent each month. The number 2 idea, vending machine ownership. Sounds like something from the 90s, yeah, I know, but it's still an incredible effective passive income stream. Believe me, I know. You buy vending machine, place it in high traffic areas, things like gyms, office, buildings, schools, banks, garages. You're in business. Restock occasionally and let the machines do the work. You could even take this further by promoting specific snacks through affiliate deals with local suppliers. Number 3, renting out space ads. Do you have unused walls, fence, or even a yard space? Rent it out for advertisements. Businesses are always looking for places to promote themselves, whether a banner, a digital billboard, or a creative outdoor ad space. This is a simple way to collect passive income. If you live near a high traffic road or an area with great visibility, and the best part, once this ad is up, you sit back and collect monthly rent. Now, mobile app rekindling. If you're a little tech savvy, you can dive into the mobile app rekindlings, and this means buying an existing app and simply changing its look or adding a few features. Then monopolize it with in-app ads or affiliate links within your app. You don't even have to be a programmer for this one. Tons of freelancers can do the technical side while you focus on design and strategy. Once your app is up and live, it generates income as people download and use it. Number 5, rent your backyard. Got a large, beautiful backyard? Turn it into an event space, whether for weddings, parties, or even photo shoots. People always looking for unique places to host events. Websites like Peerspace or Airbnb Experiences let you list your yard for rent. This is especially popular if your yard has some extra, a garden, a scenic view, or a big, huge space. And here's the tip. You can pair this with affiliate deals or event suppliers or catering service, adding another income stream. 6, domain flipping. Have you ever heard of it? Think of it like digital real estate. You buy a domain name that are either undervalued or related into trending industries, and then sell them for a profit. It's pretty straightforward. Find a domain platform like on GoDaddy or Namecheap, hold on to it, and list it for resale. A well-chosen domain can sometimes sell for thousands, making it an easy, powerful income source. Give you an example. Jeff Bezos, when he started out, he didn't have a name. He wanted Amazon, but this guy over here in GoDaddy had it. So he talked to a guy over here in GoDaddy, and he said, "Oh, give me $1 million, and you can have it." So Jeff Bezos paid $1 million. He was a millionaire, and he was a billionaire. It was a win-win situation. That's something to think about. Number 7 is solar panel leasing. If you've invested in solar panels, you can lease your extra energy to neighbors or utility companies. It's a passive way to earn monthly income while reducing energy consumption. Some people even rent their rooftop space for solar panel installation and get a percentage of the energy generated. This can cover much of your rent, especially in sunny locations. Number 8, peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Prosper and Lending Club let you participate in peer-to-peer lending, where you loan money to individuals or businesses and earn an interest in return. It's a higher risk than a savings account, but offers higher returns. And since you're diversifying your loans across multiple people, you can minimize potential loss. Your interest can become a reliable passive income stream over time. Number 9, rent out your parking space. If you live near an airport, a stadium, or downtown area, you can rent out your parking space for people who needing somewhere to park. Platforms like Spot Hero or Just Park make listings your spot and collecting payments very easy. It's a low maintenance way to earn cash, especially if you don't use a space regularly. Number 10, crowdfunded real estate. Real estate can be daunting, but with platforms like Fundraiser or Reality Mogul, you can invest in crowdfunded real estate. These platforms pull money from many investors to buy or develop properties. You earn a portion of the rent appreciation, all without the headaches of being a landlord, and it's a hands-off way to benefit from real estate market and collect passive income. Number 11, create affiliate-focused YouTube and TikTok channels. Here's where affiliate marketing shines. Get a YouTube or TikTok channel and focus on reviewing or showcasing products. You don't need a massive following to start making money. Just be consistent with your content and include affiliate links in your descriptions. When people click and buy, you earn a commission. And once you have a backlog of videos, the income can keep rolling in passively. Number 12, ATMs. Another old school but effective idea is to own an AMT. Once you place it in high traffic areas like a gas station or a convenience store, you could earn a percentage of each transaction fee. This initial setup requires some investment, but after that, it's pretty hands-off income. There's the first half of our list. If these passive income ideas already spark interest, let me know which one stands out in the comments below. And remember, I've got plenty more to cover, so hit that like button and stay tuned for the next half. This is Scott. Peace out.